Hey, welcome back to another quick video. I'm in the shop today, but not for very long. It'll warm up if I keep the gas forge going, but it's maybe up to 39 now. It was 38 degrees Fahrenheit, so it's almost 39 now. That's going to be the high for the day because it's already 20 till 5, and I gotta go work on our stove in the house, and I got a bunch of stuff to work on. But I came out to the shop just to make. Actually, I got several little coupons or billets or whatever you want to call them. They're just, I think they're 1/8 inch thick. I didn't even look at them. I think they're 1/8 inch thick plate, and we cut out 3x6, little coupons out of them for a welding class I'm taking. Like I said, I've done welding, stick and MIG welding for 35 years. Off and on, some full-time, some mostly part-time, the last 25 years or more. But I'm trying to get more into it, and I'm actually taking a welding course 2 nights a week for 3 hours a night right now, and we're learning TIG welding. And that's what I wanted to learn, was TIG welding, before I go and get a TIG machine or do anything like that. I got to decide if I want to buy a TIG machine yet or not, but I'm going to learn TIG welding. And so normally we cut these at the class with torches, and then use little 4.5 inch grinders to grind them, and it takes forever. And so I brought home, I cut 10 of them out, and I brought them home, and I want to use my 9-inch grinder and get this over with quick. So I'm just doing that, but I've been out of the shop for almost 3 weeks now, I think. Just I ended up started coughing. I've had no luck. After my hip replacement, I was doing really good. Then started coughing. It basically turned into bronchitis and pneumonia, and laid me out for 2 weeks. I couldn't. I mean, all I did is sleep all night, 11 hours, skip in the morning. Couldn't stand the sight of food or anything. And I just coughed my head off until I about gagged and threw up. So didn't throw up, but I about gagged it. They tested me twice for the flu, didn't have it, so which I guess is good, but it was bad enough, really. I just never had pneumonia before. At least they say possible pneumonia, but I've had bronchitis almost every year since I was a teenager that I can remember. There's been several years I've missed it, but had bronchitis a lot, and I just get some medicine, take care of it. This really knocked me out, so it might have been pneumonia this time. They just said, took x-rays, said possible pneumonia and bronchitis, and my lungs weren't filling up. So, but I'm getting over all that, and I'm gonna grind these. I'm gonna get back up to the house. Got some work to do. So just wanted to give you a quick update and just put this out there real quick. Do a little grinding. I just won't show you much of it because it'd be pretty boring. But it's TIG welding, so I got to grind all edges and the faces and get it all super clean. Yeah, even though it's steel, trying to keep it as clean as I can. And I think we're going to be starting some aluminum and some other stuff here pretty soon. So y'all have a blessed rest of the day, and here's some grinding.